Cleaning is a part of life. It's something we all have to do, whether we like it or not. From scrubbing the kitchen counters to vacuuming the living room, cleaning is an essential task that keeps our homes livable and pleasant. But it can be tiring. The physical effort required can leave us feeling exhausted and drained. After a long day at work or taking care of other responsibilities, the last thing we want to do is spend hours cleaning. Many people struggle with keeping their homes tidy. Clutter can quickly accumulate, and before we know it, our living spaces are in disarray. This can lead to stress and a feeling of being overwhelmed. We all want a clean and organized space. A tidy home can bring a sense of calm and order to our lives. It can make us feel more relaxed and at peace. But who has the time? In our fast-paced world, finding the time to clean can be a challenge. We are often juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities, leaving little time for thorough cleaning. Let's discover a new way to clean. Imagine a method that makes cleaning easier and more efficient, a way that allows us to maintain a clean home without the stress and exhaustion. Traditional cleaning methods often feel overwhelming. The sheer amount of work can be daunting, and it's easy to feel like we're never making progress. They don't always fit into our busy lives. We need a solution that adapts to our schedules and makes cleaning less of a burden. We need a method that is easy and fast, something that allows us to clean effectively without taking up too much of our precious time. This new method will bring you joy. Imagine the satisfaction of a clean home without the hassle. With this innovative approach, you can enjoy a spotless space and more free time to do the things you love. Traditional cleaning often involves tackling one room at a time. We clean until the whole room is finished. This can feel daunting, especially if the room is very messy. We might even give up before finishing. Another problem is clutter. We often have too many things. These things get in the way of cleaning. We waste time moving items around instead of actually cleaning. Introducing the pile decluttering method. This innovative approach is changing how we clean. It's simple, effective, and even fun. Let's say goodbye to traditional cleaning stress. The magic lies in sorting first, cleaning later. Instead of cleaning room by room, focus on categories. Start with clothes, then books, papers, miscellaneous items, and finally sentimental items. Section 4. Using the pile method. Start by gathering all the items of one category. This means you should take everything out from your closets, drawers, and any other storage spaces. It might seem overwhelming at first, but trust the process. For example, put all your clothes in one big pile. Yes, all of them. This step is crucial because it gives you a visual representation of how much you actually own. You might be surprised by the sheer volume of items. This allows you to see how much you actually own. Now hold each item. Take a moment to really feel the fabric and consider its place in your life. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? This question is at the heart of the pile method. It's not just about whether you like the item, but whether it brings you genuine happiness. If it does, keep it. Place it in a designated keep pile. This pile should only contain items that you truly love and use regularly. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. This might sound strange, but expressing gratitude helps you part with items more easily. Make 3 piles: keep, donate, and trash. The donate pile is for items that are still in good condition but no longer serve you. The trash pile is for items that are worn out or damaged. Be ruthless in your decluttering. It's easy to get sentimental, but remember that the goal is to simplify your life and create a space that reflects who you are now. The goal is to keep only what you love and use. Imagine opening your closet and seeing only items that make you happy and that you actually wear. Once you've decluttered a category, clean the space where those items were. This is a great opportunity to give your storage areas a fresh start. Now you're cleaning an empty or nearly empty space, which is much easier. You'll find that maintaining a clean and organized space is much simpler when you have fewer items to manage. Section 5. More clever cleaning tips. In this section, we will explore some innovative and efficient cleaning techniques that will make your life easier and your home sparkling clean. Here are more quick cleaning tips. These tips are designed to save you time and effort while ensuring that every corner of your home is spotless. Did you know mayonnaise can clean sticky messes? It's not just for sandwiches. The oils in mayonnaise break down sticky residues, making it an excellent cleaner for stubborn spots. Simply apply, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away with a clean cloth. You'll be amazed at how easily the mess disappears. Embrace the lazy girl cleaning method. This approach focuses on minimal effort for maximum results, perfect for those who want a clean home without spending hours scrubbing. Focus on high-impact areas like countertops and mirrors for a quick refresh. These spots tend to show dirt and grime the most, so a quick wipe can make a big difference. Discover the Japanese Urawaza philosophy. This traditional method emphasizes efficiency and mindfulness in cleaning, turning it into a meditative practice. These are clever life hacks, including cleaning shortcuts that can save you time and energy. Incorporate them into your routine for a more streamlined cleaning process. For example, use newspapers to clean windows for a streak-free shine. The paper absorbs the cleaning solution and polishes the glass, leaving it crystal clear. Section 6. Happy cleaning, happy life. These methods are life-changing. Cleaning becomes less daunting and more enjoyable. You save time and energy by cleaning less frequently and more efficiently. Imagine a clean and organized home without spending hours cleaning. You also save money. By decluttering, you're less likely to buy things you don't need. Using natural cleaning agents like mayonnaise and newspapers is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Section 7. Embrace the joy of clean. These cleaning hacks are more than just tips. They are a lifestyle change. They encourage mindful consumption and appreciation for what we have. A clean and organized home leads to a clearer and calmer mind. Start implementing these hacks today. Experience the joy of a clean and organized home. You deserve a space that brings you peace and happiness. Happy cleaning!